Before we jump into variable costing and absorption costing, let's talk about why this topic even matters. Every company that manufactures a product needs a way to calculate how much it costs to make that product. But here's the twist. Depending on which costing method you choose, your inventory value changes, your profit changes, and sometimes even manager bonus changes. Variable costing is used for internal decision-making like pricing, forecasting, or analyzing contribution margin. Absorption costing is required for external financial reporting and IFRS and ASP. So if you are studying accounting, preparing for the CPA exam, or working in finance, you must understand this difference. And today I'm going to make it super simple. Here's the whole story in one slide. Variable costing puts only variable manufacturing costs into inventory. Absorption costing puts both variable and fixed manufacturing costs into inventory. That one difference changes everything. Variable costing is super clean and useful for decision making. Only variable manufacturing costs go into inventory. Fixed overhead is expensed immediately straight to the income statement, and it uses the contribution margin format, which managers love. Absorption costing takes all manufacturing costs, including fixed overhead, and loads them into inventory. This method is required by IFRS and ASP, so even if managers prefer variable costing internally, financial reporting must use absorption. Here's where students get confused, so listen carefully. If the company produces more than it sells, absorption costing shows higher profit because fixed overhead is stored in inventory. If the company sells more than it produces, variable costing shows higher profit because inventory releases fixed overhead into COGS. Easy recap: variable costing best for management decisions, absorption costing required for financial statements. The only difference: treatment of fixed manufacturing overhead. Thanks for watching. If this made accounting simpler for you, hit like and subscribe. More lessons coming soon.